After entering the class, I will introduce the chapter of addition taught
To the,
in
to the.
uh, yeah chapter of addition.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening too, ma'am.
Welcome to your session. How can I help you, Shahid?
You can help to me. You
You
can
can
rectify my
help me,
mistake.
not to me. Don't have the preposition. You can
Yeah,
help me.
yeah.
Yeah.
You can help me to when I speak and when I will make wrong sentence. You will rectify my mistake. You
Okay.
can.
Okay.
You can rectify my mistake. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that lovely permission of.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you're giving me a lovely permission of rectifying your mistakes. So thank you for that. And I really love your cute background. It's really cute. I mean,
Thank
as a
you.
girl, I'm all hearts for it. Like my
Oh,
eyes are having that heart emoji. So I really love your background. I
thank
genuinely do. Yeah.
you.
So, Mr. Shahid, where are you from? And what do you do?
I'm I'm from Jharkhand, ma'am, and let me tell you my introduce first. And this is Shahid, and I live in Jharkhand, and I belong to a small city town, Jamshedpur, and
Hmm.
I like to play cricket.
Jamshedpur is
And
not small. I've been there. It's not small.
okay, you have been there. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, I've
Okay,
been to Jamshedpur, so I know.
so when did you come there?
When did you visit?
That's all.
Or when did you, yeah, come here, visit, or go there, something like that. But come there, no. Okay.
Okay, okay,
It's like this and that. You are juxtaposing two opposites. So I visited Jamshedpur, I think, in 2018. So,
okay.
yeah.
2018. Yeah. So you enjoy?
I did. I was there in the Tata Steel area. So
Yeah,
it was,
absolutely.
yeah, it has been inspired by that Mohenjo-daro Harappa construction, where everything cuts at a 90-degree angle and everything is like on blocks. So that was
Yes,
pretty good. So I
yes,
was like impressed that somebody like and it's Tata, so you really don't need to bother about the logistics, isn't it?
yes. One more thing, in Jubilee Park, it is a very famous in there.
What park?
Jubilee Park.
I have not been there, Jubilee Park.
You haven't been there. Okay, no
Mm.
problem. Okay,
Mm.
so yeah.
So yeah, you were
Where are you
telling me.
from, man?
I'm from Lucknow.
Okay, yeah, from the yeah. I was telling you, ma'am. Yeah, and I like to play cricket, and yeah, and I have a small YouTube channel, so I have working. I have worked there also. Yeah.
You're working with YouTube?
Yeah, and actually, I made a video. I uploaded their video, man. Yeah.
What kind of videos do you make?
I uploaded their clipping go a conversation.
Oh God, that was such anticlimactic. I was interested. Yeah, yeah. What kind of videos do you make? I want to see. I want to see. And then I upload clapping go videos. Like,
Yeah,
okay. Oh, hence the background. That explains your background. That you are
yeah,
having a good background because of clapping go videos.
yeah. You can say yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
I
but
actually as well as I learn vocabulary also, man. Yeah,
what?
vocabulary I learn. That's why I put.
Vocabulary. So what do you do, Shahid? Like, are you a student? Are you working somewhere?
I'm working, man. Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
nice. So Shahid, I start to judge my students the moment they switch on the camera and start talking to me. Okay, with you, I have felt that you need a lot of attention when it comes to your grammar, when it comes to your word formation, vocabulary, pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, tone. Everything needs to be taken care of. All right,
Yeah.
like entire and from the base level. It's not that your
Mhm.
base level is covered, so you can go up to other level, but
Yeah.
need your attention like through and through, and from a very like rudimentary level you have to begin your classes. Okay, apart from clapping or classes, what are you doing to improve your vocabulary and English in general?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing? I'm asking you, what are
Uh,
you?
okay, you are asking. So yeah, I these days I have not been learning. These days means last 1 week and 2 week. because of my work. I have burdensome work, so that's why. But before, still I watch YouTube. I watch movie, English movie. I watch, and before you can say I talk with many people, but now these days I'm not talking
What do you
too
talk?
much
Like
people.
when you talk with many people, what do you mean by this? Like who
Means
are these people? Clappingo teachers?
no Kalapingo teacher. I have made an Instagram friend.
Are they
So
from like abroad, overseas?
no. Actually, I have some friend in
Hmm.
Instagram on Instagram. So I talk with them and I do practice with them. Yeah, but these days, literally, I have been busy. So these days, I
The
have
touch
not
is lost.
talking with
Touch
them.
is lost.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And these friends that you're
So
talking to, are they good at English?
yeah, some friend they are good. Some friend they are my level. Yeah.
Well, I would suggest you stop this practice immediately. Okay.
Okay.
If they are not at a certain level, all right. If they are not practicing English, all right. If they are of your level, below your level, they are certainly not going to help you. And by mistake, I mean, let's hope not, if they give you some word which sounds fancy to you, okay,
Okay.
and you use it in a wrong context, because
Okay.
English
Yes.
is a contextual language, all right? Everything changes, the words change their meaning if you put
Yes.
into different sentences. So,
Yes.
God forbid, if they use some fancy word and you adopt that and you put it in some context, all right? So, unknowingly, you may, commit blunders.
Okay.
So, yeah, so for that sake, I would suggest stop this practice of talking to any random person over
Mhm.
Instagram. Okay. Talk to the people, talk only to the experts. All right.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
yeah, uh, and learning a language is really complicated and it is a long way. All right. It is a long, tiring, boring way, and it'll put you to sleep. I know that. For
Yes.
that to keep yourself entertained, I think so you also need to have some sort of variation. So do not forget the writing part. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Your writing is equally important as your listening, speaking, and reading. Do
Okay.
not forget writing in English. Otherwise, everything will go in the drain. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So that would be my suggestion as an English teacher. Okay. I hope I have not offended you in any way.
No, you are right, ma'am. Yes, there's a
Yes.
four pillar. I think everyone knows, and
Yes.
if we are learner like me, so really we have to focus about
Yeah.
four things like speaking and writing and listening and reading. Yeah.
Yeah. All you cannot divorce them, isn't it? You cannot.
Yes.
You cannot treat each and every one of them because all the language tests in any language, all the language tests in any language across the globe, you are
Yes.
tested on all these four. Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yes.
all four, even from the lower level, even in your school. All right, your
Mhm.
dictation, it was your written part. Okay,
Yes.
some audio clip would be played. The teacher would be giving you oral comprehension, and then you have to guess the answers. That is your listening. So even at school level, these four things were there. Okay, we didn't realize because we were so good at
Yes.
our languages. So make sure that you are not talking blindly to anyone. Okay,
Okay.
and that is important. Okay.
Okay. I will think about it. Yeah, ma'am.
No, you are going to do this something about it.
Okay, but ma'am, here's some question. If I will speak only, okay, you are right. If I will speak upper level, so definitely my English will improve. Yeah, but all as well as if I will speak lower level, so automatically my confidence will build up. Yeah, build up. Yeah.
But that will be a very,
Uh,
a negative source of confidence, to be honest. You want to
yeah,
do
it
things
is.
right.
Yeah, it is, but also confidence level is up here. Yeah, but I'm not. I'm not saying to you only. I will. I speak lower level, right? I will. I says to you. I told you means I speak both of them, right, man? Lower level and high level also. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
I get that. But if you are looking for confidence through the
Mm-hmm.
people who are not scoring as much as you are. Okay. And if you're gaining confidence, that's not the right way to go about it. I know because I have been there. Okay.
Okay.
That amounts to, you know, kind of bullying through capitalism sort of way. Okay.
Okay.
Like, yeah, because that I know English, you don't. So that confidence is coming out from there. And yeah, and the glass is really like the line is really thin. Okay. You are treading on a very thin glass. So be careful because you are forming your language. Your tongue is, because I'm seeing that when you speak, for example, as it is. Now it's not as it is, it is as it is. Okay. Yeah. All three of them get clubbed together as it is, as it is,
Yes,
as it
as it
is.
is.
All three
Yes.
of them get clubbed together and is pronounced as one word. Okay. With the breaking in syllables. So it's not as it is as it is, as it is, as it is.
Yes.
So you need to take care of things linguistically. Now, language needs to take a back seat. I mean, your language will be formed once your linguistics is perfect. So make sure, because you are an adult learner, not a young learner. So your approach should be also a little more adult, a little more mature, and not juvenile. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, Mr. Shahid, is there any problem, any question, any doubts, issues so far in my correction, my language, or anything that has confused you so far?
No, ma'am, it's fine. Yeah, I understood.
I hope I'm not using jargon which is going like, which is bouncing off your
No,
head or
no, you
something.
just no, you are using a little bit means advanced word. That is good also for me. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for that vote of confidence in me. I'm using advanced words because if you're not going to hear advanced words, you're not going to use advanced words. That's the
Absolutely.
thing. Yeah. So, Mr. Shahid, I'm going to give you a random topic to talk on, and let's see how you do it. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to teach a class addition. All right, a class of students. You have to teach the chapter of addition. Okay.
Addition.
Yes, simple, +1 +2 sort of thing. Can you do it?
Addition. Okay, plus two and one only.
No, 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 no. I'm just giving you example.
Okay.
Like you have to take a class on addition, subtraction,
Okay.
addition. You are understanding, right? Addition
No,
and subtraction.
I means what does mean addiction means? Right?
Addition means jodana ghatana. If
Okay.
that,
Okay. Yeah. Mathematics. Okay. I know. Yeah.
yeah. So can you do it, or is it too complicated for you?
Okay. So now, so I will teach means like it is my topic.
Yeah, it's your topic. How are you going to conduct a class on addition?
Mhm. Okay.
Hmm.
So okay. First of all, I go to the class.
Hmm.
Okay. And then after, uh, mm, so I says to
Please think.
huh, okay. So I will tell you all student open the book and okay. Then I write then I would write something on the board
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
then I would say to them, please not write down these are thing on your notebook, okay, and uh, and tomorrow this is all about your homework, and tomorrow you will come. Tomorrow you would come, and then I would check about that stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm writing something for you in the chat section. And why don't you give it a read? I'm just writing. I'm just finishing up.
Okay. Okay. You are doing multi work, ma'am. Right. Nice.
Yeah. Please give this a read.
Yeah. After entering the class, I will wait a moment.
Are you sitting on a phone or on a system?
No, I'm sitting on my phone, but I write. No problem.
Yeah,
Just wait.
just press on the chat section. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yeah.
went. After entering the class, I will introduce the chapter of addition taught he.
To the.
Yeah. Chapter of addition taught he.
To the, that taught
Okay.
became to the, it's to
Okay.
the. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Okay, no problem. To the student, I will give the example to
Try.
substant.
Yeah. Go on.
Substantiate.
Substantiate.
Substantiate my lecture and wrap up the class with somehow.
Homework.
Okay.
HW is homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shahid, your strong points. You can read really nice. Okay. There is a possibility of you doing flawless reading. Okay. But for that, you have to literally be with English, reading constantly.
Okay. So here
Okay.
one question, ma'am, I have.
Yes.
So you
I'm sorry.
have written here, after entering the class, I will introduce the chapter of. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I will.
So I will introduce
Yeah.
the chapter. I will introduce the chapter of addition to the student, right? You have
Yeah.
written.
Yeah.
So here I will, we use I would because it is imagination, right, man?
Yeah, you are right. It can be both.
Okay. So if I say so I would, so
that's also correct. That's also correct.
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it's for a hypothetical. So yes, I would. Yes, absolutely, you're right.
Okay.
And so, Mr. Shahid, coming back to your feedback.
Okay.
Shahid, I think you should leave everything behind and just focus on your reading because you have a great scope of improvement in your reading. Okay, I have seen you read, and I must say that yes, it requires a lot of attention and a lot of finesse, but with concentration and with duetting. You know what a duet is? First, the automated voice will read, and then you will read. Okay.
Okay.
And you said that you are on Instagram. So there are various English channels which help you to duet. They will say something, then you have to repeat. They will say something, then you have to repeat. So do it. And I'm sure that, success is on your way.
I'm doing that.
Yeah, but I think you should not concentrate on anything except for reading and writing right now. Okay? Because you're speaking and listening, they can wait for a while. Okay?
Okay.
And everything else can just wait. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the word is substantiate. Okay. To facilitate, support, to support.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.